Hey everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about the day of your driving test. In this video, I'll be going over what to expect on the day of your driving test, and I'll be telling you what to expect and what to do to deal with those expectations and manage those expectations. All right, without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing that you'll expect is obviously to arrive there. Now, I would recommend arriving early. If you arrive just in time, you're not going to have enough time to do all of this other stuff that I'm going to be outlining. So try to arrive early. You want to arrive as early as you possibly can. I mean, if you can get to the parking lot an hour early and sit there, go for it. If you can do 2 hours early, go for it. It's better to get there early and relax before the test than to be rushing there and to be nervous for the entirety of the test. The second thing to expect after you've arrived there is to start getting your paperwork to the people that actually need to deal with it. So with most places, I can't say this is the case with all places, but with most places, you're going to have your paperwork in order. You know, you're going to have your driving test booked and your paperwork in order, and you're going to have to bring that paperwork to the right people at, let's say, the front desk of the testing center, and they're going to look through it, verify it, and put you in the queue for actually taking your driving test and getting tested, okay? The next thing is you're going to have to wait. That's the next expectation. It's very rare that someone goes, hands in their paperwork, and just has the tester ready to go, like the driving test examiner is ready to go. That rarely happens. Most testing centers are going to be behind by a little bit at least. So even if you hand in your paperwork early and you're ready on time, you're probably going to have to wait. Don't get angry and be patient. The more patient that you are, the more relaxed that you'll be, and the higher the likelihood of you actually passing the driving test. So after you've waited long enough, when the driving test examiner's ready, you can expect to meet them. So you're going to meet them. Be nice, relax, compliment them, treat them like a human being because they're a human being, not a robot. Be nice, okay? You know, you want to just develop a nice, friendly relationship with them in the time that you are taking your test. It's very simple. Just be nice to them and just, obviously just do whatever you can to make their day a little bit easier, and they'll do what they can to make your day a little bit easier as well. Keep that in mind. The next thing to expect is that the driving test examiner will then most likely check the car. Now, this doesn't happen everywhere, but in most places, the testing examiner will then check the car. So they'll usually walk around the exterior of the car. They'll tell you, put the left signal on, they'll check it out, put the right signal on, check it out, turn on the headlights, push the brake pedal, honk the horn, blah, blah, blah. They want to make sure that everything works so that you can take that driving test safely and so that they're safe sitting in that passenger seat of that car during the test. The next thing that you can expect is to actually do your test. Now, the length of the test will vary depending on where you live, where you're taking the test, and the actual examiner themselves, and if you need to redo any parts within the test or if you make any errors and so forth. But you can expect the test to be quite long. Be patient and relax. You're going to pass if you practiced long enough. You're very likely to pass. Once you've done the test, you can expect to get your results. Most of the examiners will then tell you once the test is finished, they'll say the driving test is now over, and then they'll tell you, congratulations, you passed, or unfortunately, you did not pass. And they'll likely go, spend a few minutes going over your errors with you and tell you what you need to improve on. If you passed, congratulations. If you failed, don't worry about it. Reflect, figure out what you did wrong, improve on those things, and hopefully you pass next time. The last thing that you can expect with the day of the driving test with regards to the day of the driving test is more paperwork. That's right, more paperwork. If you passed, you likely have to bring in your results inside. They'll give you your license, and they'll probably give you like a sheet that's like a temporary license until you get the real one in the mail. Or if you didn't pass, you still should probably go inside to make sure that there's nothing else that you need to do. Maybe you want to book your next driving test. Maybe you want to book some more driving lessons before your next test. Whatever floats your boat. And that's basically it. That is what to expect on the day of the driving test. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.